how to buy the Flame token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before you buy this token, just go and check the Rex account. Now this token is available on the screener. If you don't have an account on the screener, just go and create one. Now this token is under the Solana network. Now just go and copy the token of this and open your Phantom wallet. Now just click on swap and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token as you can see to be able to find your token. Just click on it. Now here enter how much you want to buy, and this is how much you receive of the token. From here select your provider. For example, Jupiter. Make sure to read all of this information here. Now after you click on swap, they will redirect you to Jupiter provider to be able to buy this token. If you face any problem in your buy process, just go back and switch the slippage from here. Now after that, you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So as you can see, this lock icon means that 100% of liquidity is locked. This means that your investment in the safe place. So this is how to buy the Flame token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.